Warning: watch this before you buy elsewhere. To secure your climbing frame safely to the ground, we supply you with large 530mm long galvanised ground anchors, unlike some competitors. The ground anchors come at no extra cost, whereas others charge up to £130. Our anchors bury deep into the ground to stabilise your climbing frame, because your child's safety is our #1 priority. All the fabric required for your climbing frame is pre-cut to size and ready to fit for complete ease and convenience. There are some competitors on the market that provide fabric with imagery and graphics. Although this looks pretty, did you know these have to be downloaded and printed at home, joined together, cut out, traced onto the vinyl, and cut out again to be fitted onto your climbing frame? Avoid the hassle of this and save time during installation of your climbing frame.